Remember that for this tritone, it contains the third and seventh for two chords, the G7 and the C sharp 7. That means that you can substitute the G7 and C sharp 7 chords for each other because they each contain the same two most important notes for a dominant chord, the third and the seventh. This is called tritone substitution. The two chords that can substitute for each other are a flat fifth or tritone apart. Now let's use our old turnaround for an example. The turnaround goes from E7 to A7 to D7 to G7. Let's find substitute chords for the E7 and the D7. For the E7, we know that the tritone substitute chord is B flat because it's a flat fifth away. So let's use that. So we normally play the E7 like this. We can keep the right hand the same because the third and seventh are the exact two notes for the E and the B flat 7. Let's just move the bass note and make that the only difference. Here's the original. Here's the tritone substitution, B flat. Now let's find a substitute for the D7 chord. Normally we play the D7 like this. We know that the A flat is a flat fifth away, and I can substitute for a D7 chord. So we can keep the right hand the same and change the bass note. Here's the original. Here's the tritone substitution. So the first time we played the bass part, we went from E to A to D to G. Now we're going B flat, A flat, G. Let's hear what that sounds like. The original way sounded like this. The new way sounds like this. So those chord substitutions worked out pretty well. They actually smooth out the bass player's parts so the bass player can play chromatically.